Alright guys, let me explain where exactly we entered today. So today we entered somewhere here in this area, first trade, and the second trade we enter somewhere here after breaking this trend line, and here after breaking this trend line. So why I missed that big opportunity? We have some short opportunity somewhere here, but we miss it. And the next we enter somewhere here, and the next enter somewhere here. So what is the reason behind that? As I said earlier, today morning, let me show you. So what exactly I told? Morning around 9:25, I told Bank Nifty looking for buy only according to the price action method in the standard deviation key level. So what exactly happened? Let me show you. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, and the price opened somewhere here around 43,417. So after that, price hit 0.5 standard deviation line. Have you seen? There are no retracement, just single candle, you can see, and the price hit this level. So in a small time frame like 1 minute, no pullback here. So that is why we haven't get any buy opportunity. So what I told, we will trade according to the price action method. There are no price action method. It's just single wave. All right, we need this type of wave, and after that we need a pullback. So there are no pullback wave. All right, so here I can see 43580, 0.5 standard deviation. Have you seen? 43580, and exactly hit that level, and after that price drop drastically. So now where was our demand zone? Basically we was looking for buy. So our demand zone was somewhere here in this area. But when price approached this demand zone, there are no buy confirmation. So we was looking for buy after getting a bull confirmation. So there are no bull confirmation, and price broke this opening price. Next, here I can see some bullish candle are forming here, bullish candle forming, bullish candle forming, bullish candle. Why we not enter here? What I told, we are looking for buy according to the price action method. So here I can see price goes up, pull back, goes up, and the pull back to this level. So what is the price action method now? So that was higher low and higher high. So finally, just a minute, they create a new lower low. So means this price action method are not valid. Now question is that, can I go for short? No, we cannot go short. Why? Because if you now see the daily time frame, as I said yesterday, they're creating higher high, higher high, higher low, and a higher low. That is why we are just focusing on a buy side. That is why we were focusing on a buy side. Let me explain one by one. So later, price dropped and start creating lower low, lower high, and the lower low, lower high. Now question is that, can I go for buy in this area? No, still they are not forming. They are running like a lower low, lower high, lower low, but still they are not able to create new higher high. They are not able to create any higher high. So that was last wave, right? Lower low, and they create another lower low, this one lower low, and another lower low, and price create higher low. But when price goes, they fail to create higher high. Have you seen? They fail to create higher high. Again, price pull back, start failing like that. Again, create lower low. So that is where we are not looking for buy. Not place any buy order. All right, and the price after that again drastically price dropped and broke this range. That was our here there was entry point in a downside, but we are not looking for short till now. So next, let me show you here Telegram channel. So next, what I told around 944. Here you can see that 944 price staying below today's opening level, or we need to buy. Sorry, that was next around 1012. What I told, if Bank Nifty break 43148 level, we will be bearish. All right, 43. Remember 43148. Next, here you can see around 10 11, 10 11. Okay, not exactly 10 11. At what time? 10 12, 10 12, 10 11, 10. Just a minute. Somewhere here, when price was forming, somewhere here price was forming in this area. So at that time I told that if price break this level, have you seen this black line? 43148. If price break this level, means this level, this black line, we will bearish. All right, when they are forming this candle, at that time I told. So finally price goes and broke this area. Have you seen? Finally price goes down and broke this area. So once they break this level, price rejecting from one standard deviation line at the level of 43089. Right, they are rejecting from this area. First they rejected from 0.5 upper side. Now they are rejecting from 43089 downside. So let me show you downside. This one 43. Let me remove one standard deviation. This one standard deviation downside 43089, exactly this level. So once price reject this level, again pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, and finally broke this area. Price not able to break this supporting line. Now it acts as a resistance somewhere here. Now you can see here. So previous scenario, what we have seen, same pattern they are forming. All right, this angle triangle pattern, this called, and the same pattern they are forming here, this angle triangle pattern. Sorry, descending triangle pattern. And once they break this level, so that was our entry point in a downside. So that was our first entry point. And let me show you. So after that, and the price broke this area and continue toward the level of 1.5 standard deviation line. That was our target. So we exactly enter somewhere here, and our booked profit 1.5 standard deviation at the level of 42926. Have you seen? Let me check it. Standard deviation line 1.5, 42926. Have you seen this one? 42926, this level, and we booked our profit somewhere here. So next question is that, can I go for buy now? Some buy opportunity was here, but I'm not interested to take any buy position because that was our support. So price are running below this supporting line, this level. So even here they are forming any price action method, but we are not interested to take any position. So next, here you can see again price goes near this level. Have you seen this level, this supporting line? And now it's becoming a resistance and finally goes up. And again, price here you can see when they are approaching and finally break this level. So next our entry point somewhere here, and we booked our profit somewhere here in this area, but price dropped drastically, but we are not interested to take entire move. We can't catch entire move, and we close our position somewhere here. All right. And then let me explain for tomorrow what we are going to do. Let me explain why I'm interested to take sell below this level. So let me show you here. According to the price action method, here I can see price creating lower high, lower high, lower low, then lower low. So next day in this candle, we was looking for short, but finally break this higher point, and we start buying above this area. Same scenario today. We are looking higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low. Sorry, we was looking for buy, but finally break this level, this point, and we start selling from this area, and we book the profit. All right, so that is the rule we are using. And how tomorrow we are going to trade. So when they are forming this type of pattern, like here you can see engulfing pattern, inside bar candle next, again inside bar, and higher. Now you can see engulfing pattern they are forming. So once in a daily time frame, if they're forming engulfing or inside bar, so what exactly we are doing? We are taking order if price stay above opening price. What is the meaning of that? So suppose price open anywhere, doesn't matter. Price suppose open somewhere here, and if price stay above this opening price, we are using buy according to price action method, like that, like that, like that. So we'll buy, like that. If price create a lower side, like that, they change the trend, we are looking for short, like that. At the same time, if price open suppose somewhere here and staying like that, and we are using price action method, we are looking for short, and a short. That is the method. So where price open doesn't matter, so we will use price action method. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.